Bendigo Islamic Community Center and the case surrounding it is a great example of how the Charter of Human Rights has been upheld and allowed a small community in Bendigo to practice their faith as citizens of Australia without any discrimination. We're building this in 3 stages, and the next stage is laying down the actual site for the mosque, which has begun, which is really exciting for us. We're just trying to find a space where we can all hang out. Essentially, that was the idea behind it. So in about 2015, a series of unfortunate events unfolded in Bendigo. There were people who were shouting, racial slurs. There was a lot of hate being spewed at these riots. It was a very angry mob, and that's what it was. It was a mob. My understanding is that they were protesting, the building of a mosque, but what it signified was more than that. It was intolerance. And what started off as something really small turned into something really ugly. And then some people allied with them, and they decided to pursue this through a legal channel, which resulted in a very long and painful court case, which lasted several years. But in essence, it was a fight for human rights. It went to the highest court of appeal, and the opposition lost, which we're very grateful to our lawyers. And, I'm truly happy that we live in a country like Australia and a state like Victoria where, human rights can be upheld and the Charter of Human Rights is upheld. While a lot of us see the ugliness surrounding this case and the rioting and the infamy that it brought to Bendigo, what we saw as a result of this, and the silver lining in all of this, was how the town of Bendigo banded together and united as one voice to say that we will not tolerate this. And what it showed us as the Muslim community as well was that there's a lot that unites us and a lot less that divides us, and we do stand together, and together we're stronger.